currently how we are preparing for step 2?
Okay, step two, yeah. Step two, like the thing with step one is that you have a lot of resources. That is why you tend to deviate. So that's what happened with me as well. I think I forgot to mention this. When you're preparing for step one, you need to be focused. Like that is why I said it's UFAP for the dedicated period, and the pre-dedicated go for some resources. The thing is that yeah, there is another question bank called Ambos, which many people say it works for them, but I haven't personally tried it out. So like I'm not in a position to say about it. So the thing is that like I said, uh, for step one, you have plenty of resources, like a plenty of resources to think about. But in step two, it's the other way around. You have very few resources, so you'll actually you have no other choice than to do UWorld, and UWorld is actually more than sufficient from what I have like what I have researched. From my research, I see that UWorld is actually more than enough, and it can be supplemented with online meded. Uh, so it's basically a video, like they'll give you videos on certain topics, like just like boards and beyond. And yeah, it's actually step two, it's more like it's you world. That's what people say. So people say that you world is more than sufficient, and I'll have to see it for myself whether it's actually true or not. So yeah,
Okay.
step two, you have less deviations.
All the best for your preparation, Dr. Hanif.
Thank you so
And thank you
much.
so much